I got a cracked windshield the size of a dime, and instead of changing the $2,000 front windshield, we're gonna use this $10 Permatex and see if we could get it fixed. Using the little pin that they provide, take out any extra pieces that is inside the crack. And use the alcohol pad to wipe down the rest of the dirt that's around it. With a sticky disc, make sure that this tab is facing upwards, and we could peel one side off and place it right there. All right, there you go. All right, so you just place this on top of it. Pull this out. You put the pedestal right in the middle of the crack. There you go. And then you get the resin and you fill it up, but they said to leave a little bit for the final step. So you put the syringe, put it inside, and you have to pull it till you get to the second notch around here. There. So you gotta pull it all the way through. Pop that in, and then you leave it there for 10 minutes. So now you push it down to the second notch. Put the injector back into the hole, then push the injector down, putting air back inside, and lock it down to the next notch. Let that sit for 20 minutes in the sun. Remove the injector, loosen the pedestal with a razor provided, apply the rest of the resin onto the small crack area, and place the film over it. Let it sit for 15 minutes in the sun. Now carefully remove that strip and use the razor to smooth out the cracks. That easy. Subscribe, share, and follow for more.